Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're heading outdoors to cook up something truly special. A crispy, delicious, and incredibly easy baked catfish. If you've ever wondered how to get the perfect crunchy texture without all the hassle of deep frying, you've come to the right place. This recipe is a game changer for quick weeknight dinners or a relaxed weekend cookout. We'll be using beautiful catfish fillets, and I'll share all my tips to make sure they come out flaky, moist on the inside, and golden brown on the outside, every single time. First things first, let's talk about our star ingredient, the catfish. I've got some gorgeous fillets here. The key to amazing flavor starts with a good seasoning. We're going to create a simple but powerful dredge. In this bowl, I'm mixing cornmeal, a little bit of flour, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and of course, a good pinch of salt and black pepper. This southern-style blend is what's going to give our catfish that classic, irresistible crust. Don't be shy with the seasoning. We want every bite to be packed with flavor. Now, let's get these fillets ready for the oven. I've preheated my outdoor oven, but you can absolutely do this in your kitchen oven. We'll take each fillet, give it a light coating in our dredge, making sure to press it on firmly so it sticks. Then, lay them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. A little pro tip: drizzle them with a bit of melted butter or a spray of cooking oil. This helps them get extra crispy and golden without being greasy. We're going to bake these until they're perfectly cooked through and the crust is beautifully brown. It only takes about 15 sampai 20 minutes. And look at that, our crispy baked catfish is done. The aroma is just incredible. The outside is perfectly crunchy, and when you break it open, the fish is tender and flaky. This is one of my favorite seafood recipes because it's so simple, but the results are restaurant quality. Serve it up with some lemon wedges, a side of coleslaw, or your favorite roasted veggies for a complete meal. This proves you don't need a fryer to make amazing fried-style catfish. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this easy catfish recipe, be sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious outdoor cooking adventures. Drop a comment below and let me know how yours turned out. See you in the next video.